Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Lee, your friendly urologist. Ngayon, sasagutin natin ang ilan sa inyong mga katanungan. Sa mga hindi pa nakakasubscribe, just click the notification bell below para lagi kayong updated. Mula kay Chacha, Dok, ano pong lunas sa semen ng lalaki na may kasamang dugo? Hematospermia. So, hematospermia could be secondary to trauma, congenital, minsan sinasabi natin, or excessive, yung sexual contact na sinasabi, no? Yung medyo adventurous tayo. Madali lang naman yung gamutin. We can give antimicrobial. Pwede namang ayusin. Now, it becomes a emergency case when hematospermia becomes very constant at kahit na ginamot mo na, tinit mo na, hindi na siya nawawala. Then, persistent sa yung semen na may bahid ng dugo or minsan fresh blood, that we need to look into by doing cystoscopy o silipin natin para makita natin yung ducts natin. Okay? Mula kay Carmencita Bernardo, Doc, kakatapos lang po operahan ang mister ko. Pwede po kaya siya uminom ng spirulina? Yes, pwedeng uminom kasi you have all the vital ingredients for recuperation and increase in immune system para mas maganda ang regeneration ng mga tissues natin for repair. You have your phytocyanin, flavonoids, anthocyanin. So, maganda yan. Pwede, Ma'am Carmencita. Mula kay Eljan Jade Kamay, Doc, pantay po iklog ko, pero may times po na sumasakit siya at pag sumasakit, di po siya nagpapantay. Maraming salamat po. You have to know, ang testicles natin hindi naman pantay. One is more descendant than the other one. No? It doesn't mean na abnormal siya. Now, the only thing that we can look into the normalcy of your testicle is to request for ultrasound of your testicle. Now, just in case may signs and symptoms na pananakit, namumula, lumalaki ang iklog, that would be secondary to inflammation o yung tinasabi nating orchitis. Now, pag orchitis naman siya, pwede naman siyang gamutin, bigyan ng antimicrobial. So, madali lang yon, no? So, easy to resolve. Now, of course, magbabase pa rin tayo sa other examination like your urinalysis and urine culture. Dapat suriin natin, lalo na pag more than 24 hours na, matagal na siya, namumula siya, medyo lumalaki. Those are indications that our testicles might be going into inflammation or the term as orchitis. Kasi pag hindi natin na-resolve yan, it might go to the reproductive ducts like your epididymal duct. Pwede kayong magkaroon ng epididimo orchitis. So, dapat suriin at magpatingin sa espesyalista. Hanggang dito muna at kung meron kayong mga katanungan, post your question in the comment box below. Dahil dito sa aking channel, tanong nyo, sagot ko. Muli ako po ang inyong Twilight-friendly urologist na si Dr. Joseph Lee saying hello but never goodbye. Thank you for watching.